Hello everyone. This video will teach you how to install our thermostat.
Release front cover by inserting a head screwdriver into bottom crack. Check the wiring position as the picture on the left show. Insert the wires and then fix these wires with screws. Suggested wire stripping length is 7 to 9 mm.
Mount backing plate into wall cassette, put screws, and then fix thermostat. Make sure that the thermostat is fixed without deformation. Suggested torque is 0.2-0.4 Nm, 2.0-4.1 kgfcm. Remount the front cover via snap fit connection.